Okay, this is the reveal. It's not that dramatic. I asked for something between a shag and a wolf cut. This is what I got. I just went on a hike too. So, nothing like too adventurous, but I think I should take you on a hair journey. So, buckle up. Okay, so I've never been afraid to get like weird with my hair. But when I was going through these photos, I realized most of my time has been spent just trying to grow out weird haircuts. So, yeah. Oh, God. So, yeah. Yeah, I think I've like found my look. I mean, no. That one's cool. No, that blonde. Somebody did that to me. I didn't do that.